Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can find information in Google Sheets mobile. So let's get started. First of all, open your Google Sheets application on your phone, and after you open it, select the file that you want to find the information from. And for example, I'm going to find information from the spreadsheet file. So I'm just going to click on the file to open the Google Sheets file. Alright, and hold on. Okay, and if you want to find information, we just need to tap on this three dots button on the top right corner of our screen and click on find and replace. And for example, I'm going to find this word. Okay, and right after we type the word will appear on our spreadsheet, and this is the word that I'm looking for right here. The word is right here. Okay, that's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can find information in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.